In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select settings. Here you should open voicemail and click on notifications. Right here, by tapping on sound, you can go through all the sounds that can be applied and then pick the one that you like the most. So let me show you all of them. And then just pick the one that you like the most, go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed. So this is it. This is how you can change your voicemail notification sound. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.